Top 4 Legit Ways to Make Money Online in Zambia. Greetings everyone. Welcome back to JSM channel. If you're in Zambia and you're exploring ways to make money online, you're in the right place. We know the online world can be a tricky terrain, with scams like GoLike, Emilian, eTesco, and FUD lurking around every corner. But don't worry, we're here to guide you towards genuine money-making opportunities while also providing some valuable advice on safeguarding your finances. Oh, and before we get started, remember to make smart choices with your National Pension Scheme Authority 20% partial withdrawal. So if you're ready to delve into real ways to earn online, keep watching. By the way, a quick tip. While quick money might catch your attention, it's often fleeting. If you're serious about building a sustainable online income, stay tuned for this enlightening video by JSM. 1. Freelancing. First on the list is freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, design, coding, or marketing, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are your digital playgrounds. But remember, true success comes from delivering quality work and building a trustworthy reputation over time. Ignore those flashy promises from scammers. Real freelancing demands professionalism and dedication. 2. Online content creation. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of online content creation. Whether you're passionate about YouTube, blogging, or podcasting, this is your chance to shine while connecting with a global audience. Stay far away from traps like GoLike and Emilian. Instead, focus on creating value. Monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing will naturally follow as your audience grows. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Moving on to the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Establishing your online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can be incredibly rewarding if done correctly. But be cautious of those tempting, FUD-like offers of easy money. They often lead to disappointment. True success lies in finding your niche, sourcing quality products, and building a reputable brand. 4. Online tutoring or consulting. And finally, let's discuss online tutoring and consulting. If you're an expert in your field, offering online courses or consulting services can be a fantastic opportunity. Avoid the empty promises of scammers like eTesco, and focus on sharing knowledge to help others succeed. Building credibility takes time, but it's well worth the effort. So, there you have it, a roadmap to navigate through scams and uncover legitimate ways to earn online in Zambia. Quick fixes might look appealing, but they often lead to frustration. Instead, choose the path of professionalism, dedication, and sustainable growth. Oh, and before you go, I've got something special for you. For my top recommended money-making idea, check out the link in the comment and description section below. And if you want to stay updated on all things online earning, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and as you embark on your journey towards online success, remember to stay vigilant and stay informed. This is JSM, signing off for now.